Up guys, I am back. I'm doing a video talking to you about my journey on the 21 Day Fix Extreme thus far. I'm going to do a week 1 recap, but that just didn't happen. So here we are and let's get to it. Here are the containers that you use. Everyone's asking me about the eating system. I won't bore you with the details, but you have a bunch of containers here. Each container is for a specific food group, and you have a certain number of each color of container each day. It's that simple. You know you have 4 of these, and 5 of these, and 3 of these, and 3 of that, and 1 of each of these, and you can coordinate your meals however you want. You have a book that tells you basically the things that you can eat from each category, and again, it really is that easy. I just finished up day 12, and I lost 10 pounds in those 12 days. I have a goal to lose 15 to 20 in the 21 days. If that happens, that would be so cool. That's what I'm pushing for. A lot of people have been asking me about things that I am having cravings for. I still really want like chocolate. I really want a margarita and Diet Coke. But honestly, I've just been trying to chug a lot of water and think about my goals and all that stuff and put the cravings behind me, because what's more important, guys? What you want right this second or what you want down the road? I got you there. I'm really loving this program so far. The workouts are awesome. They're really challenging, and after I finish one, I feel like I got a great workout in. There are so many different types of workouts. You have your Pilates, your yoga, there's strength, and there's cardio, and there's ways to modify if you aren't quite up to that fitness level yet. What I recommend this program for, I would definitely recommend going through the original 21 Day Fix first before you tackle extreme, because I find that you will find this one a lot harder if you don't do the original first. For example, you have a little bit more leeway on the original. You can have chocolate and wine, for example, as swappings for one of your containers. For this one, you really don't get any cheats or treats or whatever you want to call them. So what you have is what you have. Overall, I really think that whether you decide to go with the original 21 Day Fix or extreme, you're gonna see great results. I'm feeling awesome, I'm feeling empowered, and I'm excited to see what the rest of the journey has for me. And you know, I'll be bringing you guys a video for once I am finished. And until then, follow me on Facebook to kind of see the daily meals and all that good stuff of my journey. Thank you guys so much for following me. I really appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you later.